I'm going to write this interval in both set notation and interval notation so that you can see how to do each one. So our interval goes from -1 to +3. And I went ahead and put over here on the side what the closed dot and open circle means. The closed circle, open circle, whether that -1 is included or not, and whether that 3 is included or not. So our -1 is included. So in set notation, I always start with my smallest number and I say -1. And then because it's included, I'm going to use the less than or equal to sign. And then I'm going to put my X. And then I get to my 3. My 3 is not included, so I just use the less than sign and my 3. And what this is saying is my X is greater than or equal to, if I'm reading backwards, greater than or equal to -1. So my X is all greater than or equal to, includes -1, and my X is less than 3. Now let's write it in interval notation. So in interval notation, instead of using the less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, those signs, we're going to use either the square brackets or the parentheses. So square brackets is how I indicate that it is included, and a parenthesis is how I indicate that it's not included. So my -1 is included, so I'm going to use a square bracket, -1, and my 3 is not included, so I close it off with a parenthesis.